I got a short video here about this Gibraltar Elite mailbox. That's the medium wide, works really good, open, close, easy. If it's too tight or a little bit too loose, you can bend this thing here around. Here at the beginning it was a little bit too hard, so I made it a little bit more loose. Then it was a little bit too loose, so I made it a little bit more hard. So now I think it's perfect. Now the person delivering the mail can just push it up and it will stick really good. The thing is that it's built for a very wide post. Maybe we can see that when I stop the video here. You can see it has openings from the side and also inside. So it's a perfect fit for a very wide post or a plastic post which is very wide. So these standard posts, for example the standard wooden post from Home Depot, is a little bit narrow, so I had to adjust two things. The first thing I've done is to cut out here a little bit in the back, maybe an inch down. So now you can see it's laying totally flat on the post. And here you can see inside what I've done. Yeah, stop this here as well. Here we have the original openings, also the one here in the back, but I've added two more holes. Also stop this here. You can see two more holes in the center. I had to pre-drill into the bottom, then put it onto the post, marked this area, pre-drilled into the post, put the mailbox back and added the screws here inside. So it's holding now with 3 screws in the center and it's holding really nicely, really stable. So overall really nice thing, working absolutely perfect, really nice, beautiful, full recommendation from my side. And so I hope I've been able to help you a little bit with this video, and thanks for watching.